In this session, you will learn about how to insert a new cell, how to insert a new row or new column or a new sheet, and how to delete a cell, how to delete a row or column or sheet. So, for that, under Home tab, we have cells group options. So, first we are having insert. Under insert, see insert cells is there. First, place the cursor where you want to insert a new cell. Suppose I am clicking here under 103. Here I am going to apply this insert cells option. So, whether you want to insert cells or entire row or column. So, here shift cells down. So, that means already cell is there 103. Yeah, under 103, that cell will comes to down, shifts to down, and there will be a new cell. See, 103 shifted to down. So, entire cells came to down and a new cell came. And if you don't want this means, you simply do delete cells, shift cells up. Okay, that particular cell removed and below cells shifted to up. Okay, and similarly shift cells right. So, I am shifting the cells to right side. See, entire row shifted to right side. You can observe the data also. Entire data shifted to right side. Even formulas also became invalid. Why? Because previous references are wrong. So, again, if you want to delete, shift cells left. So, removing this particular cell and shifting the cells to left, again came back to the same position. So, like that a particular cell we can insert or we can remove. If you want entire row, suppose under Nani, if you want one row, insert rows, see, not under Nani, above Nani there is a row, new row. So, here we can enter a new data. If you want to delete this, delete sheet rows, entirely deleted, and then insert columns. Suppose here in between I want address. After employee name I want address column. So, in that case insert sheet column. See, here you can place address and you can type different types of addresses. And if you don't want this means, delete sheet columns, entirely deleted. See, if you select a particular cell or row, that particular cell or row will get deleted. Suppose I am selecting all these rows. Now, if you apply delete rows, all those rows will get deleted. I am applying Ctrl Z to get back the data. So, even columns also, suppose I don't want these 3 columns, select those 3 columns and delete sheet columns, those 3 columns removed. Ctrl Z I am applying. Like that you can insert all or delete columns, rows and cells. If you want to insert a new sheet, then insert sheet, new sheet came by the name sheet 4. If you don't want this, again delete sheet, current sheet will get deleted. Okay. So like that you can insert or delete sheets, columns, rows, cells as well. Okay.